Imagine coming home, setting your grocery bags on the counter, and your cat jumps up. Curious, sniffing around like she always does. You think nothing of it. Maybe you even smile and let her sniff a little closer. But what if something in that bag could send her to the emergency vet within hours? This is not a scare tactic. This is something every cat owner needs to know, and most people find out too late. Cats are not small dogs. They are not tiny humans. Their bodies process food in a completely different way, and something as innocent as a grape or a sprinkle of garlic powder can cause serious, sometimes fatal damage to their internal organs. So let's talk about the 10 human foods that can actually kill your cat, because knowing this could genuinely save your pet's life. Starting with one of the most surprising ones, onions and garlic. Most people know these are bad for dogs, but cats are actually even more sensitive. Both onions and garlic contain compounds that destroy red blood cells in cats, leading to a dangerous condition called hemolytic anemia. And here's the scary part. Even small amounts over time, like garlic powder on food you occasionally share, can build up and cause serious harm. Next up is grapes and raisins. Scientists still aren't completely sure why, but grapes and raisins can cause sudden kidney failure in cats, even a tiny amount. You don't need to feed your cat a whole bunch. A single grape can be enough to trigger a crisis. If your cat ever gets into raisins, that is a same-day vet visit situation. No waiting. Chocolate is another big one. It contains theobromine and caffeine, both of which cats cannot metabolize. Dark chocolate and baking chocolate are the most dangerous, but even milk chocolate in small amounts can cause vomiting, seizures, and heart problems. And speaking of caffeine, coffee, tea, energy drinks, any source of caffeine at all is toxic to cats and can cause rapid heart rate, tremors, and collapse. Raw dough and alcohol might seem like obvious ones, but people don't always think about the danger. Raw yeast dough expands in the stomach and produces alcohol as it ferments, both of which are dangerous. And alcohol, even in tiny amounts, can cause liver and brain damage in cats much faster than it would in humans. Then there's xylitol, the artificial sweetener found in sugar-free gum, some peanut butters, candy, and even certain vitamins. While xylitol is extremely dangerous for dogs, the evidence in cats is still growing, but the safest approach is to treat it as just as deadly. Why take the risk? Raw fish and bones deserve a mention too. While it feels natural to give a cat fish, raw fish contains an enzyme that breaks down thiamine, a B vitamin cats need to survive. A thiamine deficiency can lead to neurological problems. And cooked bones, especially small fish or chicken bones, can splinter and cause internal injuries. Finally, milk and dairy. Yes, the classic image of a cat with a bowl of milk is basically a lie. Most adult cats are lactose intolerant. Dairy can cause severe digestive upset, diarrhea, and over time, real discomfort. If this video made you stop and think about what's in your kitchen, take a second right now to like this video and subscribe so you never miss important tips like this. Drop a comment below and let us know. Has your cat ever gotten into something they shouldn't have? Your story might help another pet owner. The truth is, loving your cat well means knowing what keeps them safe, not just what makes them happy in the moment. Keep dangerous foods out of reach. Always check labels, and when in doubt, call your vet. Your cat is counting on you, and with the right knowledge, you'll never let them down.